Ape crew, 8 members out there. We got one today. It's a nice little mission. It's probably gonna take us all day, but we're gonna get it done. We gotta try to get the engine and transmission up out of this. And then I got a couple more vehicles that I'm working on. It's a, I don't think it's a 5.3. I want to say it's a 4.8. I could be wrong, but it might be a 5.3. Who knows with these trucks? It's tricky when it comes to these LS. But I got to take the motor and transmission out of this truck. Then there's another truck that's a Tahoe that I got to put the transmission in. And then there's another truck that's an Avalanche that I got to take the motor out of that and put this motor, that Vortec, in it. So, in the midst of all these videos, I'm going to drop a link down in the description that's going to have all of those set up on what I got going on as far as this whole mission that's about to be at hand. But I think he left the key on the seat. What in the world? Got geese over there in the field. I'm gonna get it fired up, pull it in the shop, get the engine hoist pulled in there, and probably when my son get done eating breakfast, I might let him come out and help me try to pull this mug apart, because I think I'm gonna pull it all the way out of the front end. Front end is fairly clean, bumper and everything is clean, HUD, so I might strip it down and start getting rid of other parts, because once I do strip it, truck is pretty much gonna be worked in the deal. I can get it, I guess, who knows, but it's a lot of stuff that got to be stripped down on it and took off. But let's see. Let me get in it and see what it sounds like and move. Let's see how I run. Engine and transmission is good, but it's just a donor truck. And then looking at these seats, I am going to go ahead and try to make some stuff happen with this and get stuff. I'm going to probably take these seats out and see if I can't put this setup in the dually. Got the little, whoa, what the waka flocka flame? Didn't know that was broke off of there, but I can always go to a yard and get another one, but I like this seat setup right here. I might put this in the dually. Let's see. Let's get to the mission at hand. Door. Okay. That doesn't shut. Got a little bit of gas in it. Check. Woo. Fire right up. And running all right. Oil pressure looking good. Oh. I don't know if y'all can hear that. But yes, it is talking that shh your mouth. Holy moly, he came over here with no brakes. Let's see something. Let me bag it up. Let me bag it up real quick. We're gonna see what this thing about. Let me put y'all out the window and let's see if we can power lock this thing. See if I can get a good view of the tires. Oh, one thing I did just notice is gear shift light doesn't work, but let's see if this thing will light it up. Oh. I don't know what he want to put this motor in, but I might try to get this motor up off of him. Mug about that one way. Dug some little holes in my ground. Let's get it pulled on up here and get it prepped to go in the shop, and we're gonna go from there. This thing got some little bit of power on it, man. I might have to start making some calls right now and try to start getting parts sold already. We'll get this figured out here momentarily. Truck sound pretty good. Get out and do a little walk around while it's running. Oh, that mug kicked up some dirt over there, and it's looking like it's positive traction too. Sound good. You probably can't even hear it running, but ooh, look at them tires. Hold up. Hold up. Look like them tires is coming. Bumper looking, grill looking, hood looking, fender looking, door looking. Oh yeah, stuff is looking good, man. We're gonna start getting some stuff taken off and documented and put up on that market, but I'm gonna check y'all in once we get it poured in and start working on it. I guess the bungee strap was to hold the door shut. I guess while they drive. That's how you kill two birds with one stone. Let me stop boring y'all, and I'm gonna check y'all in once we get it poured in, jacked up, and start getting it stripped down. My big bro might come through today too. He hit me up and told me, let him know if I had something going on. And bro, if you liked and subscribed and are tuned into the channel, this is what I got going on. So yes, I might need a hand with it, man. You know, and I know if money make me move, we got the same blood. That might mean money make you move. So I'm gonna do you like you did me when I was a kid, man. I'm gonna tell the world. I wasn't gonna end it, but I'm gonna tell the world how my brother used to do me, man. He'd tell me to go get his get the key. He used to tell me to go get his clothes out of the dryer. And he said he had $5 for me. I'd be like, $5? Ooh, he got $5. Let me get down here. I'll run down there and get his clothes, you know, because that's what a little brother would do. And when I get back up, you know what bro had in his hand? He had a nickel. A 5-cent piece. And what I learned from that day is got to make people disclose the amount of what it is, because he definitely said 5. He didn't lie. He said 5. He gave me 5 cents. It wasn't the $5 I thought I was going to make. But with that being said, like, share, subscribe. I'm going to check y'all in when we get this thing up in the shop and start busting it down. Eight members out there. From what I'm looking at, it's looking like that truck was ripping up some rubber. Hold up, let me see. Oh, that's looking like positive traction and getting sideways. I don't know what the motor's going in. I'd like to get it from him. The way that thing just did what it did, how it was doing what it do. I am gonna put my computer on it so I can that'll let me cheat a little bit and tell whether it's a 4.8 or a 5.3. But either way, it's an LS and a 4.8, and the 5.3s is about it. So we got it up in the shop now. Everything's set up. I think the main focus is I don't have a game plan on how I'm gonna do what I gotta do. The mission is take the motor and transmission out. Really don't have a game plan. And I forgot to bring the motor hoist in here, which I'm glad I didn't, because I would have lost a lot of space. So I'm going to get everything tore down, probably pour the whole front end off, battery out, radiator out, strip this completely down to where all of the plugs and stuff like that's together, roll it down off the ramps, because I put it up on the ramp so I can get up under it without having to jack it up and not have a lot of extra stuff in here. Get everything unhooked is the plan. Hook it up and try to pull it out all as one unit. That's what I'm going to try and do. And then, you know, you can do away with the truck or whatever got to be done. I do want that seat though out of there. Some stuff I'm going to rob up out of here. And you always want to fill your fuse boxes up and stuff with fuses and snatch all of that stuff up out of here. Whoa, what in the world is that? Like the air horn. You must have been trying to get some people up out the way. But I'm gonna check y'all in. The next thing y'all see, I'll set up figuring out what all I'm gonna need to start popping stuff apart. When I get up under there, I'm gonna throw the head unit on and we're gonna try to get this tore out. We're gonna see it's light now. So we'll see how much light is left and how much time we got on the clock. Cause I do got the kids in the house. It's 4:03. I got them in the house occupied, cooked them something, and hopefully they pass out and play the game. I got the walkie-talkie. Matter of fact, while y'all here, let me do a live. Oh, battery died, so they probably already been on here. What are y'all doing? See if I get a response. Battery died, so that's gonna be a no-go. Check your in once it's time. We got to get this Vortec up out of here. Ape crew, ape members out there. We taking an intermission. Got a lot accomplished. A lot of parts off, good stuff that's gonna go on marketplace. That is this. That's the fuse box. Probably snatch it up. Shoot, I don't care about saving that. Snatch that mod. That be broke came through with our assistance. Damn. Nah, you can leave it hooked up. Are you hooking it from the harness? Oh yeah, you can sit that up. Sit that right over there on the top of the motor. We gonna try to get that dry shaft unhooked. Pull that out and go from there. Figure out what we gotta do here shortly. Get back in on the head unit. I wanna pull it out one whole unit. Pull myself up. Pull it out as one whole unit.
I'm trying to get it out of here.
And see. Go from there. Definitely got to run around the gas sake TV.
Rats made a nest up in this motherfucker.
You said rat nest in there?
Yeah, you see all that bullshit back there. These things should be sitting.
Perfect spot for nest, but it run like a top though.
Eat all your motherfucking wires up.
Like a sewing machine. Take the motor mounts off, probably cut the exhaust. I might try to spin them. If they break, they break. I don't care. I like for it to go ahead and come off from the back right there. That'd be great. And be able to pull the motor out a lot smoother. But we're gonna get back with y'all here in a minute and let you know what we got going on. See ya. Hey crew, we out here getting done, man. It's late night. Bro actually pulled up and I didn't tell bro what I was gonna give him. I'm probably say I got $5 for you and give him $5. Ain't no telling, but we got it popping up in here, man. Got the heat whomping. Music playing. I don't want to get copyrighted, but I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on, man. We breaking it down. Yeah. Check that out when we get it done.